Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech On. Friends, today I'm going to show that how to take the screenshot Samsung S24 Ultra by swiping your hand left side to right side or right side to left side. Friends, as you can see, this one my Samsung S24 Ultra mobile. See, this one. So I'll take the screenshot by swiping my hand left side to right side or right side to left side. So how I can take the screenshot like that? So friends, for this you have to go on settings of your Samsung mobile of S24 Ultra. Then you have to scroll down and you have to go on advanced features, this one. Just tap on here, advanced features. After going on advanced features, you have to tap on motions and gestures. Just tap on here. Then you have to turn on palm swipe to capture at the bottom one. Just turn on this one. After turning on palm swipe to capture, you have to go back. Then my friends, you have to swipe your hand right side to left side or left side to right side, but you have to make sure that your hand has to be touched on the screen, right? Like that. See my friends, a screenshot has been taken, right? I'll delete this one. Again, I'll take right side to left side. So I'll touch my finger on the screen and I'll swipe right side to left side like that. See, I've taken the screenshot here. I'll clear now. I'll take another one. Just you have to touch your finger on the left side and swipe right side. And touch your finger on the right hand side and swipe left side. Like that, my friends. So easily, you can take the screenshot by swiping your hand on Samsung S24 Ultra. Friends, if you have any questions about this video, you can ask in the comment box. I'll try to give answer as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.